As a submitter on Zoho Books, I would now like to create a expense so that I can add it to a report and submit that to my finance department. Now you can do this direct from the home screen, and we can we can drag the receipts directly in here, or we can create the expense. So let's hit create expense. So let's say the expense was dated 31st of August, and let's say it was from Dixon's, showing my age. So that's immediately, because it's noted that the last time I used Dixon's, it went to office supply, so it's automatically picked that up for me. So here you can enter how much you've spent, and you can enter a description down the bottom. Now you can toggle and say that you want to claim reimbursement, or you might want to keep it where you don't because you've paid for it on a company card. I'm going to claim reimbursement in this instance, and again here you can add VAT should you need to. In this instance I'm going to leave the VAT omitted. Hit save and close. Now when all these expenses have been entered and you have coded how you wish, now what you can do is you can bundle these together and you can submit a report. That will be my next video.